Good morning guys! Guys, for today's video guys, kalugar tagpamasol ari sa Hagna. Yan guys, atong spot guys. Atong rod is Kapong 662, atong reel is DX 1000 series. Okay guys, shout out sa Master Anglers, Buo Anglers. Lugar nagpamasol ron. Saglit lang. Yan ito yung spot guys. Sana lang. May spot ito guys. Wala try lang ta. Maabang yung kubit ani. Hey guys, shout out tanan mga followers, shout out, salamat. Thank you for watching guys. Bye guys.